Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and it is so windy, like again, and it's raining, and oh my gosh, and it's falling all the doors. Oh my gosh, I don't know if my phone gonna go. Very strong wind. I'm so wet. Angry Birds.
Andrew, was that Brian?
No. Yeah, I'm sure. Oh my, no, my phone's wet. It's so windy. Dude, that tree's about to fall. Oh my gosh, so windy. Yesterday it was like a little windy, and it was raining and sprinkling a lot yesterday. Yesterday was really weird. Yesterday I went to the beach. I was about to take a video, but I couldn't. Then I'll tell you about it right now. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Look it, I'm wet. You can't really see though. It's like a tornado. Wow, this is so cold here. Well, yesterday there was these two seagulls kissing each other and fighting. Oh my gosh. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. My phone's wet. Oh my god. Ah, I just moved that. Oh my gosh. Ow. It's oh my gosh. Today's my friend's birthday, and he's older than me by 5 days. And I'll take a video on July 24th, which is my birthday. And I want you guys to subscribe to me and say happy birthday in the comments. It's July 24th. But in this video, like right now, you can just say happy almost birthday. Something got in my eye. I gotta run. I gotta break something. Let me tell you about yesterday when we got to the beach. There were like these. When we went to the beach, when we were starting to go to the beach in this car right here, it was like sprinkling, and I heard thunder, and I heard thunder like a few minutes ago. So it was sprinkling, I think, or raining, and then after when I got to sleep in the car, oh my god, it's so cold. Alright, and then like a few hours, I think like an hour already passed when I was sleeping, and it was like sunny, and it wasn't raining anymore, but now it was. And it was so weird. Look at this! It's like a tornado, but I don't see nothing. And it's a little foggy. Oh crap, my phone. My phone, it's not even waterproof, only a little. Oh, I can't see very much on my phone. It's too. Oh my gosh. You can see it's very wet. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Tomorrow I go to my friend when it was my friend's birthday today. He said, well, they didn't celebrate yet, but he said I'm 10 now. And I said, cool. And he told me to like come to his house tomorrow, and I am. So yeah. Oh my god, the wind is pulling me a little. Look it! I got my Angry Birds shirt. Look it. Ow! This water, well, this rain hurts a lot. Like face rain. Oh my gosh, can't really see though, but my phone's getting really wet. I'm so cold and wet. I'm soaking wet. Look at that. Oh, I'm so cold. Ah, it's so foggy. That tree is about to fall off, I think. Look it.